show you how a concrete pump works here. This is the hose that goes down. I couldn't really talk when I was standing next to the machine. It's too noisy. But he's pumping the concrete into that pump, which has about a 6-cylinder motor that runs a pump. And then the pump runs and pushes that cement down through the hose. And the hose then squirts the cement out the front. See, that's a second truck right now. So watch as it comes out of that end of that. Just pumps the concrete out, nice and smooth. He's got a remote control on his belt right there that he can turn the pump on and on. Guys are scraping it off, and the guy taking a float and floating it right away. This is a walkway that's coming up. The reason it's so long like this is they have to keep it above 5%. If it's over 5%, then it's not good for wheelchairs. So they make a long, curly walk all the way around, all the way up to the new buildings up here. Guy dragging the hose, that's a heavy hose right there, filled with concrete. Pulling the rebar up so that it goes up to the middle of the concrete.